Overlooking Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, stands one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, Christ the Redeemer. The journey to this marvel began in 1921, when the idea of a monumental statue was born to celebrate Brazil's independence. After years of planning, construction finally began in 1926, with skilled engineers and thousands of workers assembling it piece by piece. Made of reinforced concrete and soapstone, the statue took nearly 5 years to complete. In 1931, the towering figure of Christ, arms outstretched in a gesture of peace, was finally unveiled to the world. Standing 98 feet tall and with a wingspan of 92 feet, it became a symbol of faith, hope, and unity. Today, Christ the Redeemer is not only a religious icon, but also a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a beacon of inspiration, seen by millions every year from all over the globe.